why do we split the keyboard? To reconnect with you, to your body, your space, your flow. This is NocFree the true wireless split keyboard. From your first touch, you connect smoothly. It feels soft, light, and responsive, thanks to the gasket mount inside. But it's more than just the feel. It's designed to fit your body. Open up, align well, regain your natural posture, and complete your ergonomic setup. When everything is in place, ideas move, work flows, and your NocFree brings it all together beautifully. In 2023, we launched our first split keyboard on Kickstarter. Our backers love it, but they wanted more. So, we're back with NocFree Back us now.